Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer child and dependent care records into tax software. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all your child and dependent care records. This includes receipts, invoices, and any statements that detail your care expenses. Open your tax software and navigate to the section dedicated to deductions. Look for an option labeled Child and Dependent Care Expenses. Select it to begin entering your information. Locate your first receipt or invoice. Input the provider's name in the designated field. Next, enter the amount you paid for the care services. Make sure to include any additional expenses, such as supplies or meals, if required. Now, input the dates you received care. If applicable, note the number of hours your child or dependent was in care. If you have multiple providers, repeat these steps for each one. Once you've entered all your records, review the information for accuracy. Look for any error messages or warnings from the software. Make adjustments as necessary, ensuring all details are correct. After confirming everything is accurate, proceed to the next section of your tax return. Save your progress regularly to avoid losing any information. Finally, complete the rest of your tax return. Once finished, you can finalize and submit your return through the software. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.